Hey there, fellow shoppers. Welcome to this quick guide on how to track your Zappos order in 2025. If you've just placed an order for those trendy shoes or the latest apparel, you probably want to know exactly when it's arriving at your doorstep. Don't worry. I'll walk you through the process step by step, making it super simple and stress-free. First things first, make sure you have your order confirmation email or details handy, as it'll make things easier. Start by heading over to the Zappos website. Just open your preferred web browser and type in www.zappos.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your email and password to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one quickly. It's free and takes less than a minute. After logging in, navigate to the My Account section, usually found in the top menu. Click on Order History or My Orders. Here, you'll see a list of your recent purchases. Find the order you want to track and click on it. Look for a Track Shipment button or a tracking number provided next to your order details. In 2025, Zappos has upgraded their tracking system with real-time updates and even integrations with smart devices, so you might see estimated delivery times, live location maps, or notifications via their app. If you're using the Zappos mobile app, which you can download from the App Store or Google Play, the process is even smoother. Open the app, log in, and go straight to your Orders tab. Tracking is just a tap away. One tip: if your tracking info isn't showing up right away, give it a day or two, as it might take time for the carrier to update. Also, if you encounter any issues, Zappos has excellent customer support. Reach out via chat or phone for help. And remember, tracking your order helps you plan ahead, so you can be ready when that package arrives. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more shopping tips. Stay tuned for our next video on the best deals of 2025. Happy tracking!